Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem faced by Thunderbird users. You see, the issue at hand revolves around adding a specific keyboard command to the Find and Replace menu option. The user wants to include the shortcut Shift F, but standard add-ons don't seem to provide a solution. So, how can we address this problem and make life easier for Thunderbird users? Now, let's delve into the solution for our keyboard shortcut conundrum. The key lies in a Thunderbird add-on called tbkeys lite. This handy tool allows for custom shortcuts and supports a range of Thunderbird versions. By tweaking the XPI file, you can install tbkeys lite even if you're running a version slightly ahead of its officially supported range. Once installed, you can adjust the add-on settings to set up the desired keyboard command for the Find and Replace feature. Building on the solution, we can delve deeper into configuring the keyboard shortcut within tbkeys lite. By specifying the command plus Shift plus T combination to trigger the cmd_find replace action, you can seamlessly open the Find Replace dialog within Thunderbird. This customization ensures that the new shortcut functions smoothly, enhancing your workflow within the email client. In summary, we've successfully addressed the keyboard shortcut dilemma in Thunderbird by utilizing the tbkeys lite add-on to create a custom key binding for the Find and Replace function. With a simple tweak in the add-on settings, users can streamline their workflow and boost efficiency while navigating through Thunderbird. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any quirky shortcuts you've added. Until next time, happy emailing!